Welcome to this premium sales brief on AI smartphones 2026, focusing on the agentic revolution in mobile computing. We are witnessing a strategic shift from reactive to proactive, transforming mobile assistants into autonomous digital agents. Legacy AI was reactive, responding to single commands, requiring manual app management, and relying on slow cloud data. Agentic AI, expected in 2026, uses autonomous agents for multi-step, cross-app tasks and proactive context learning offline. Agentic AI power lies in proactive personal agents. They use on-device NPUs for contextual action, like silencing notifications upon arrival at the office. Multi-step cross-app actions simplify complex tasks with single commands. Visual excellence is now driven by computational power. AI models reconstruct long-distance shots, turning 100x zoom into professional images. Video relighting allows users to adjust shadows and highlights post-recording for perfect results. Key AI imaging features include object removal, which removes moving subjects with perfect contextual fill. Video relighting allows dragging virtual light sources. ProRes Zoom uses generative models to reconstruct detail in extreme zooms. Global connectivity is enhanced by natural live translation, which preserves the speaker's tone, ensuring conversations feel human. Offline access is secured through device-native processing, perfect for international travel without data roaming. In terms of AI presence, the Google Pixel 10 Pro leads with 95% integration, followed closely by the Samsung S26 Ultra at 92%. The iPhone 17 Pro Max and OnePlus 16 follow with 85% and 78%, respectively. The titans of 2026 are shaping the future of mobile computing with cutting-edge AI features and robust hardware integration. A comparison matrix shows that the Pixel 10 Pro and S26 Ultra offer full AI agent autonomy and supported offline translation. The iPhone 17 Pro is system-limited and only partially supports offline translation. The Pixel 10 Pro also leads in NPU speed. Silent security is achieved through real-time protection against deepfakes and scams directly on your device. Secure neural processing ensures your data never leaves your hand, processed locally by the NPU.